With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to select the correct option regarding the types of muscles in our body. Now, the muscular tissue, we all know, shows special contractile activity, which means that because of the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the muscles in our body, various types of movements are possible. So basically we divide these muscle tissues into three categories. First, we have our voluntary muscles. Obviously by voluntary we mean that we can bring about contraction in these muscles by our conscious effort. So all of our voluntary movements are carried out with the help of these voluntary muscles. They are also called the striated muscles because if we observe them under the microscope, we are going to see alternate light and dark bands or striations, and these are because of the contractile proteins actin and myosin. So these voluntary muscles are striated in appearance, and we can also call them the skeletal muscles because they remain in close association with the skeletal elements or the bones. Next, we have our smooth muscles. Now we are calling them smooth because they do not show the striations which will be observed in our striated muscle or the voluntary muscle, and in nature they are involuntary because we cannot bring about contraction at our own will, and these are also called the visceral muscles because they are found in our internal organs. The third category we have is that of our cardiac muscles. As the name suggests, these are found exclusively in our heart, and in appearance, even though they are striated like the voluntary muscles, obviously their nature is involuntary. We cannot make our heart beat, or we cannot increase or decrease the strength of contraction by our conscious effort. So the cardiac muscles, even though they appear striated, they are involuntary. So let's look at the options which have been given to us. They are saying the muscles present in our heart are involuntary, correct, but they are saying unstriated smooth muscles. So this statement is not correct because, as we've just mentioned, the cardiac muscles show the striations like our voluntary muscles. Next, they are saying the muscles in our thigh are striated and voluntary. So this statement is correct. In our thigh, in our legs, arms, all of these muscles, since we can move them consciously, they are the striated muscles and they are the voluntary muscles. Next, they are saying the muscles in our upper arm are smooth. No, the smooth muscles are found in the visceral organs, the internal organs, not our arms and legs, and they are fusiform in shape. So again, this is incorrect. And next, they are saying the muscles in the intestine are voluntary and striated. Obviously not. We cannot move about the food in our alimentary canal by our conscious effort. All of this happens because of the peristaltic activity or the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the smooth muscles of our alimentary canal. So the only correct statement here is option B. Type of muscle present in our thigh are striated because they show the stripes or the alternate light and dark bands when we look at them under the microscope, and voluntary because these are the skeletal muscles and we can move them consciously.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.